As dropshippers, finding the best winning product to sell is one of the biggest challenge we can actually find. So we need to find a product with a wow factor. That product also needs to add some kind of values in somebody's life. So all of this process usually takes a lot of time. So in order to get this whole process started, we need to do a lot of work, like going to social media. As you know, social media can help you find tons of winning products, and you can also find them on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and of course all of these platforms are very different. So the winning product that you can actually find on TikTok are very different from the one that you can actually find on Facebook, Instagram, etc. So what platform should we actually go to make this process much easier? How do we find the best trending product out there? And the answer is actually very simple. So what platform should we actually go to make this process much more easier? And how do we even find the best trending product out there? And well, let me tell you something. The answer is very simple. We need to use this website called minea. So in today's video, we're going to dive into this platform, and I am going to explain to you how does this work and how you can actually use it to get the best outcome out of it and find the best winning dropshipping product that you can actually sell on your store. And before we start the video, I am going to leave you a link down below on my description that will take you straight to minea and actually get started. Okay, so this is minea homepage. Let's start with the product search. Let's pick one product and actually check it out. Let's go right here on the ads. So the cool thing about this page, you can change where you actually want to see the ads, either on Facebook or Pinterest, even TikTok. So there is this is TikTok, this is also Pinterest, and this is Facebook. So you can check what kind of ads and where you actually want to check it out. And these are different filters, so you can filter by dates. You can select like for a creation date, maybe like first seen dates, last seen date. You can also do with different media types. Maybe you can filter with image, videos, and so. And then also let's go back here. E-commerce platform, if you want to see maybe on specific platform, maybe like Shopify, WooCommerce, and many more, you can select that. Or languages, you can pick any kind of language you actually want, and they'll all be shown in here. So as you can see here, we have a lot of different ads with all kind of products in all kind of different languages, so we'll need to filter this a little bit down. So let's go here on the countries. And in my opinion, I think if you want to do your business worldwide, I think you should start maybe with USA and UK. So I am going to select here USA. I'm going to select USA and UK, and then I am going to click apply. And also this is because USA and UK are the biggest markets that you can actually target. So let's select those countries and click here is drop shipping. Let's filter is drop shipping to and click apply. And this is also because we are drop shippers and we want to see what is our competition actually selling. And also you can see here, we can also filter, like if we want to see maybe weekly winners. So if we click there, you'll see all the weekly winners ads, maybe best of the month, season cash machine, recent drop shipping, or Q4 winners of 2023. You can also do that. So if we filter for the weekly winners, you will see that this filter will show us what is actually trending in this week alone. So all of these products are trending this week. And as you keep scrolling down, because these are the Facebook ads, you can also see how many people liked, how many people left comments, the shares. So scroll down and find one product that you want to check it out. Let's click this product here. So this seems to be like a really cool product. It has 71k likes, 9k comments, and 16k shares. And on this specific product, you can also see the description, destination link. If you click, it's going to take you on this link specifically. If you want to see these ads, because this ad is from Facebook, you can click here, see ads, and it will take you straight to the ad. Also, if you want to see the shop specific person who is selling this product, you can click here and you can see the shop. And if you want to find suppliers for this product, you can click here, find suppliers. So you can also see the information when this product was actually created. You can also see the engagement. Click here, you can see the engagement. So this is the engagement rate, how this product is actually doing. And yeah, also this is the information of the product. So this is ads type from Facebook, this is from Shopify. The shop is selling from Shopify, and it's from the language, of course, English. And this was created on these days and first seen and things like that. So let's go ahead and click here, see shop. Let's go ahead and see what these store are actually selling. What are they doing? And I am going to click here again, see shop. So this is the shop. They are drop shipping these products. So if you want to sell something similar like this, you can just go ahead and check out how your competitors are actually doing, how are their website actually looks like. So you can scroll around and see what they're actually selling. You can see what they're doing, how they're doing it, and what they're actually selling. So yeah, so this is cool. Now let's go back to minea. And if we scroll down, we'll also see different similar we can also see different similar products. So if you're interested, you can keep going and check out more similar products. And also you can see here the information. If we click here, the information, as I said before. So one quick tip before we move on, if you see an ad has been running for more than 6 months, you should safely say this is the profitable ad. And you can also see an engagement graph down here. If we go on the engagement here, you'll see the engagement graph, how this product has been actually doing, and you can see how much the engagement has been going, so you can learn if this product has been doing well or not. And also here on the find suppliers, you can find the supplier of this product on Zendrop or AliExpress, but mostly I recommend to use a Zendrop because you'll find best prices as well as fast shipping. I have a tutorial on how to find different dropshipping vendors, different products on Zendrop. I will link the video down below on my description, so go ahead and check that out. So now we have an idea on how to browse ads and see and learn on what kind of product you can actually sell. Okay, now the cool part is a magic search. So let's go ahead and click magic search. So with the magic search, you can there are 3 different things. There is a creative finders, competitor research, and magic search. So you can upload a product image to find a top creative product on Facebook, TikTok, or Pinterest. Also you can see all different competitors who are selling the same product, and you can learn how they're doing it and how they do it, so you can learn how to do it by yourself. So if we click the magic search, so let's click magic search. You can basically do 2 things here. First, you can enter a text of the product that you want to search, or you can go ahead and upload an image of the product here. So let me go ahead and upload an image from my computer. So I just selected that picture there. So let's see if minea is going to pull all the products or different shops. Oh, look at that. Now you can see who are actually selling this product, and you can see you can filter. Maybe you want to see all from Facebook. So let's see Facebook. Okay, and that will show it up there. Or on Pinterest, you can select TikTok, Pinterest, and you can also even as you can see, this is from TikTok, and you can also select, you can filter with different creation dates and languages. You can pick the language. You can also select countries, like on what countries do you want to see these ads from. So this is really cool because you'll be able to see all different competitors who are selling this exactly product. You will learn so much from them. Like you can see how they're actually you can see how they're actually doing things, and you can learn from them and do better on your product. So let's take a look. Also, we can do let's try to do a search. Let's say a home humidifier product, and you will find it here. You can also filter like how you want to see them, maybe from Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok. So this is the best cool part of minea. So take a look at different products on different sellers and see how they're actually doing their business. So now what you need to do next is go on each product that you'll find and go to see their ad post. Click on the product. Let me just click this one here. So click on the product, and this is the ads. So check out how they're doing, read the description. You can also see their ads on TikTok. You can visit the shop. You can read the informations here to see how they're going to be helpful. You can check out the engagement of the product. And again, as I said, a quick tip is that if you see an ad has been running for more than 6 months, you could safely say this is a profitable ad. And you can also see an engagement graph like over here, showing how the engagement has been doing or has been going so far. If it has been doing great or it hasn't been doing good at all, you get to learn from that. And yeah, you can also click the shop and see how they're actually doing, how they're setting up their website, what they're putting on their website, and things like that. So now, after you have gone through all this process on finding the winning product that you actually want to sell, checking their social proof and decide if this is the right product or not, the next step will go to go ahead and find a supplier for that product. For that, let's try to click on this product here. So after clicking on the product you want, go right here and click find suppliers. So you can find suppliers on Zendrop or even AliExpress. So you can pick which one you want. So you can click here, maybe like AliExpress. So you can click on AliExpress and you can find different suppliers that are selling this product from AliExpress. So let's just click one of them and this will take us straight to AliExpress website. So this is the sellers and they're selling for 99 cents, and you can see the images of the product. So check out the sellers page and see if this seller is actually legit. So one thing to learn is that in minea, you're going to find the good product to sell on your dropshipping store, and then you can use either AutoDS or Zendrop to import them to your store. So what I'll tell you, let's try to click here find Zendrop suppliers. Okay, let's click here on find on Zendrop. So if you want to learn more about Zendrop, I have a link down below on my description. I showed like step by step on how to use Zendrop and how to find good suppliers and things like that. So let's say we are on minea, because the aim of minea is that it's going to help us find a good product to sell on our dropshipping store, and then we can use either AutoDS or we can use Zendrop to import them to our store. So if you find the name of the product, let's say we want this the cats product, you can actually get this title of the product and paste it on your Zendrop and or even AutoDS to find the sellers. I have different tutorials. I showed how to use Zendrop as well as AutoDS to find dropshipping sellers that can sell your product faster and easier than using AliExpress. So I'll leave the link down below on my description. Go ahead and check them out. Okay, the last thing, this is going to be very, very important, is this part called Success Radar. So when we click here, I'm going to hide all these products because minea doesn't allow me to show you these. So basically, these are the trending dropshipping product that you can actually sell right now, and minea used the AI tool to find these products for you, and they update this list every 8 hours. So there is about let me go down. There is about 100 products that you can actually start right now on your dropshipping business. These are the winning products. Okay, so on the success radar here, you're going to find 100 winning products provided by minea. This is what people are actually selling right now. So I'm hiding this list of the product because I am not allowed to show you this list right now, because minea users are asked to keep these exclusive. Otherwise, all these winning product will go into saturation. So if you're serious about dropshipping then make sure you are using minea, so that way you can learn what are the winning product right now. You can actually start selling on your website. So you can go ahead and scroll through all these 100 winning products and see all these different options, and you can see what product actually resonate with you. And it's also important that you actually like what you're selling, and as that is going to create more passion out of you, so when you are working on your store. So this feature, the success radar, really is helpful. So make sure to use minea on your dropshipping business. I think I have touched everything that I think could be helpful on finding a winning product to sell on your Shopify store. I hope this tutorial was really helpful, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe on my channel for more cool video like this, and leave me a comment to let me know what do you think about this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.